Well, the FDA met virtually for the first time this week to discuss whether it's safe to move forward and grant full approval for Pfizer's booster COVID-19 shots. So what does it take for a vaccine to be granted FDA approval? News 8's medical reporter, Dr. Mary Gillis, is here now to explain the process. Mary.
Okay. Thank you, Phil. The undertaking, to put it mildly, is rigorous. The independent review committee recruits the best scientists in each of their fields of expertise to evaluate different sectors. The goal is to make an evidence-based informed decision as to whether to move forward. Full FDA approval is much different than emergency use authorization. Dr. Aaron Lottis, professor of engineering at Purdue University, told News 8 the standards are higher and the process is much longer. And if granted, the public, he says, should have full confidence in the agency's determination, whether it's a yes or a no.
It's really a different bar. So approval is a higher bar. So that's FDA's, it's a full standard review process that any vaccine would go through. And, as FDA's reviewed all those data, which is really extensive data, there's longer-term follow-up now available. They've determined that vaccine is safe and effective for preventing COVID-19.
Full FDA approval is contingent on a number of factors. There are different sectors, and scientists who specialize in each category are assigned to evaluate the data presented under a microscope, some of which include evidence. There are tens of thousands of studies from across the world researchers will evaluate to determine whether the evidence is strong enough to support the vaccine. Manufacturing is the facility responsible for making the vaccination sterile and up to code. Labeling, are the labels clear and systematic across all packaging and vaccine vials? Dosage, are some diluted, are some more potent? Each dose must be consistent in terms of concentration across the board to avoid complications. The risks versus benefits are then weighed, meaning what are the potential side effects, and is there more to gain by getting the vaccine than not? After this lengthy process, the committee decides if the vaccine is safe and effective enough to warrant full FDA approval. While Pfizer's initial 2-dose series is FDA approved, the Moderna shot is not. However, Lotus says we can expect a final decision in the coming weeks. Dr. Mary Gillis, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Mary, thank you very much.